when you get started, it's a lot like ball golf in terms of terminology as well. There's birdies and bogeys, one over par, one under par, all that's similar. Just like in ball golf, hitting golf balls, you carry a wide selection of clubs, we carry a wide selection of discs as well. And to start off, you only need one disc. Just grab one and go throw it. But as you start throwing more often, you're going to want to get a disc that's a good driver, maybe a good disc that's a mid-range, and a good disc that would be a putter. And so when you get ready to do them, we just grab a disc, and it's a typical grip underneath. You kind of grip in like that, discs up like that, and then you'd throw it like you're just throwing a disc, just like you just like that, we would throw it. So that's one type of throw. That's called the backhand, as you're throwing from the back. The other throw, you change your hand just a little bit, grip it a little bit different, and you're throwing a forehand throw. And you might go, why do I need both of those throws? Well, again, sometimes a backhand throw will go a certain direction and a forehand throw will go the other direction. So it's kind of nice to have both of those throws in. When you get ready to putt, grab a putter, it's a little bit different disc. And when you grab a putter, some people hold it just a little bit different. As you can see, the fan grip a little bit there, finger out on the edge, and you tend to just point and shoot when you throw your putter. Just point and shoot right at the basket. Those are some of the typical ways of holding a disc, throwing a disc, and which ones you'd want to use.
I would say maybe the biggest mistake beginners would make is getting a set of discs and then going directly to the course instead of maybe just going to a park or a soccer field and just experimenting with different ways you can release the disc. It's fun to go to the course, but you get frustrated because they can't play the course that well because they don't throw the disc that well. So learn how to throw the disc just by going where there isn't a basket. When you get that thing to fly right the first time, you get that feel of how it was. Then you can start repeating it.